Hey y'all, Rochelle here, your delightful crafter. So I have a Simon Says Stamp craft kit unboxing to share with you guys. It just got here today. I used to get it monthly, and then I just realized that I didn't care for it every month. So now it's kind of like I just pay attention, and if I like a kit, then I order it. So we're going to check that out. If you're new to my channel, welcome. I hope you stick around a spell. If you like what you see, please hit that subscribe button. Ding that bell next door if you want to get notifications of future videos. Thumbs up, likes are always appreciated. Any questions or comments, please leave them down below. So, I've already opened it up. I've already pulled it out of the baggie. And here is our sneak peek. So this month, I believe it is called Home Sweet Home. Let me check. It is called Home Sweet Home. These are basically cards that designers have made with the kit. But it looks like they've also used other items, because obviously we don't have this little circle die here in the set. We don't have the heart set in the kit. But those that have been following along for a long time know how much I'm a sucker for building and architecture. So when I saw this, I was just like, yeah, it's got to come home with me. So we are going to... Before I give y'all a close-up of everything, we're going to start with the paper. Basically, that was a little tease. So, the cardstock that it comes with is, as soon as I find it, Distressing Cosmic Shimmer. Okay. It comes with one sheet of 80-pound Nina Solar White cardstock. It comes with one each of Simon Says Stamp. Okay, the cardstocks are 100-pound, and these are cotton candy. Any day now. Cotton candy, smoke, and soft navy. So those are, I really like the colors, but it would have been nicer if it was more than a sheet of each. So there's that. Then it came with one each Simon Says Stamp envelopes, and those are in the soft navy, cotton candy, 2 envelopes in the metallic silver, and 2 of the white, and then it also came with 1 of the white minis. So there's that. It also came with 1 Tim Holtz Distress ink pad in speckled egg, and I believe this is a new color. I think this is a new color that just came out. So there's that. It also came with a mini Cosmic Shimmer in Opal Blaze polish, and I have shared Cosmic Shimmer powders in the past. It's like, apparently I'm guessing that's what it's supposed to look like. Hold on. Bump that down just a little bit. We're going to try and open it up. There we go. So this is a little different. This is like a glaze. The Cosmic Shimmer that I have is more, it's called a polish. The Cosmic Shimmer that I have is more like paint. It's really pretty. Look at that. That's going to be fun to play with, actually. I might have to order some more. It says, dip your finger or sponge into the polish and apply it in a circular motion to highlight details or cover an entire area. So that would be really nice to like accent clouds. I think, you know, clouds have a silver lining. I really like that a lot. Then it came with, this is, they call it, it's a special, it says it's called a special pack. It's by Waffle Flower, and it was put together for the Simon Says stamp kit. And I have to say, what I have seen so far, I really want more of this paper collection. But, you know, a lot of y'all know I already like postal themed collections, and that's what this is. And this is called Special Delivery. All right. So these are like cut apart. So you have Special Delivery with the birds, and you have it in green and yellow, pink, and like this blue gray. They are single-sided. Look at that. I love that. Absolutely awesome. And it's cardstock. It's not just, you know, flimsy paper. It is single-sided only. I am just absolutely in love with this collection. I would love a ton of this paper collection. Love the flowers, the birds, and look at that, the birds. Just the color palette. It's soft, it's pretty. Really, I'm loving this even more now in person than when I saw it online. We have more cut aparts, and it comes with a die set, and I think, will it? It will cut out some, yeah, it'll cut out some of the images, just not all of them. So that's awesome. So you can actually die cut those out with these dies. Love that. And, well, the bummer is there's only one of this, and that's kind of one of my favorite sheets. That's kind of sucky. It is only one of each, though, but I definitely am hoping that I can get some more of this paper collection because I love it. So there's that. And again, this is called Special Delivery, is the collection name by Waffle Flower. It came with this card. So it looks like this is good until August 15th. So you have save $5 on any $5 or more purchase. And the code is HEAT899. So if you want to go shopping on Simon Says stamp, save $5. So that. And then last but not least, this 6x8 stamp set. I mean, look at the size of that stamp. That's almost a full 8-inch. And fortunately, I have blocks that are that long. I think that's like your schoolhouse. Just different. Look at the water fountain. It's got a water fountain, trees, street lights. Home sweet home. Welcome to the neighborhood. Sweet dreams. Sending hugs. Thinking of you. Please deliver to. Love and hugs enclosed. Though we are far apart, we can make a wish on the same stars. Home is where the Wi-Fi automatically connects. I think that is hilarious. It's just not the same without you here. Welcome to your new home, and no matter how far apart, You're always in my heart. We have a paper airplane, a plane, some birds, stars, moon, different size hearts, clouds, sun. And again, here are some samples. And remember, these die postage dies, I think are fantastic. Look at that. I love that. I think that's one of my, that one and this one are my two favorites in the inspiration cards that they share. I like that one too. Looks like somebody fussy cut out some birds. Really awesome. Look at that. Look. Home is where the Wi-Fi automatically connects, and you got the Wi-Fi signal there. That's hilarious. So, that is the Simon Says Stamp kit of the month. I believe this is June. At this moment, I don't know if they're sold out. I haven't bothered to check. So if you're interested, I would go check out their website and see if it is. Sometimes they sell out right away. Sometimes they are still available. So, and I will tell you, this won't work. These codes don't work on, like, subscription boxes. So, remember, Heat 899. So, I hope you enjoyed this. This is gorgeous. That's all I can say about this. That's yeah. Just like, it's all, my finger's still shimmery. Love it. So, I'm going to have to get me some more of that paper because it's amazeballs. Hopefully I will have some stuff tomorrow. I've had some shipments that are just taking a little bit longer to get here. And when they do, I'll be the first to share. Oh, guys, I have to tell y'all. I have become addicted to, so I love like cold case files, mystery, like real life mysteries and like stuff like that. Like 48 Hours and all that stuff. Well, there's this channel on YouTube, and her name is Bailey Sarian. And she popped across my I guess recommended feed or whatever the heck they call that. And the title caught me. I don't get into makeup videos, but she's apparently a professional makeup artist as well. And her videos start off, they always start off the same. She comes on and you're getting to see her face. She's talking to you, telling the story. And at the same time, she's putting makeup on. And it's always something completely different. And she starts with a total blank face. Like, blank palette, no makeup, no nothing. I mean, you get to see her like she comes right out of the shower on her, you know. And, oh my gosh, she's so funny. And she is such an awesome storyteller. Now, she does swear. Now, I mentioned I don't swear, but I don't mind it if other people do. I just tend not to. But if that bothers you, she does swear. But, oh my gosh, she's so funny. And she's beautiful. Oh my goodness, she's beautiful. So, I will include a link down on my description if you want to go check her out. Again, her name's Bailey Sarian. And, I was binge watching, listening to her over the weekend. And, I'm just like hooked on her right now. She's got 1.39 million subscribers. So who knows? Maybe one of y'all are already subscribed to her. But she tells, and she tells like true murders. And some of them are mysteries. Some of them are real. Like she's done Ted Bundy. She's done Jeffrey Dahmer. And the thing is, what I really like about her is she gives you the backstory. And I think it's awesome. I don't know. It just sounds, I just like to hear, because like what made these people grow up to be the monsters that they were? You know what I mean? And not that it's an excuse for them to grow up that way, but I mean, some of them had some pretty messed up childhoods. That's all I can say. Anywho, that was just something totally random, but I thought I'd share with you what my current fixation is right now on YouTube, and loving her. And of course, K is for Karen. I'm always stalking her page because she's got the funniest Dollar Tree and thrift store hauls. Oh my gosh, she's probably my biggest Dollar Tree enabler. Her and Lisa's hauls, the two of them, yeah, they're the reasons why I go to Dollar Tree. Oh, and Anna, Only in My Dreams. Those 3 channels are the ones that always drive me to the Dollar Tree to go check them out. So if you're not following them, I'll put their links down in the description too. Like I said, it was just a random thing that popped in my head, and yeah. Anywho, I hope y'all are having a good week. Hopefully you have something fun planned for the coming holiday weekend. I actually have a 3-day weekend. I'm excited. My daughter's back home tomorrow. Woo! And tomorrow is my last day in my current position, and Wednesday I start my new position. So really excited. So anywho, with that, I'm going to let you guys go. As always, I love you guys to pieces. Happy crafting. Bye-bye.